Fermented foods have been part of African diets for centuries, long before anybody knew what probiotics or the gut microbiome were. Today I'm sharing a video of me making fermented sorghum for the first time. Now, I actually filmed this video quite a while ago. I was planning to refilm it because I had some pretty enthusiastic children screaming in the background. But life got busy, and before I knew it, winter had arrived here in Australia. Since fermentation relies on warmth, it's just too cold at the moment to remake the whole process. So I thought I would use this footage anyway because I still wanted to share it with you. Some of these clips are actually filmed during my TikTok lives where I cooked the fermented sadza with everybody watching. It was so much fun answering questions while cooking, and I think it's definitely something that I want to do more of. Now let's talk about why fermented sorghum is so special. When sorghum ferments, naturally occurring microorganisms begin to break down some of the carbohydrates of the grain. This process can make nutrients in the sorghum easier for our bodies to access and may also reduce compounds called phytates, which can interfere with the absorption of minerals like iron and zinc. Fermentation also creates beneficial compounds that support a healthy digestive system and can improve the flavor by giving sorghum that distinctively tangy taste. One of the questions people often ask is, if you're cooking it afterwards, doesn't all that heat kill the bacteria? Well, the answer is yes. The cooking process does destroy the live bacteria, but that doesn't mean all the benefits disappear. The fermentation has already transformed the food. It has changed the nutritional profile and helped to break down some of the starches, reduced certain anti-nutrients, and produced beneficial compounds during the fermentation process. So even after cooking, you are still getting the benefits of the changes that the fermentation process has created.
Okay, so I've never done this before, so I asked my mom how to make fermented sadza, and she's never made it, so she was like, it should probably be like how you would make regular sadza. So this will be my initial paste, only difference being it's being fermented. We'll be able to, but in like when we used to go to the village to the sticks, they would just brew it like this for 10 days, and my grandmother would go in occasionally and stir it.
Yeah.
And then after 10 days, people drank it like this.
Oh.
No boiling it off or anything like that. Okay, so I'm going to taste this. Oh, it's sour. Like all my, your taste glands. Okay, so this is my fermented sorghum sadza. Sadza rejo. Anzichi raka viriswa. I don't know what the word for fermented is. So, I'm having this with my little fried veggies. That's cabbage, purple cabbage, white cabbage. I don't know if you can hear the kids screaming outside. And then I'm having this with a little bit of just pork and beans. So I just simmer pork, it's like pork rashers with mushroom, onion, tomato, and I always put beans in my stews because the boys don't like meat. So even if they don't eat meat, they'll eat the beans. And the sauce. Ethan! Stop it! Don't be a good man. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's not too bad. Okay, so here we are. I've tasted the sadza. Actually quite good. I like it. It's sour. Like I've never had. Oh, maybe I have. Something sour with salty foods. I had a kimchi burger. That was really good. It was like a beef burger, and they put kimchi as the relish for the burger. That was really nice. Oh, my salsa is still too hot. Wait for it to cool down.